DIY versus professional washing, pros and cons. Everyone knows a good wash can keep your truck looking shiny and new. But when cleaning your rig, do you DIY or go professional? Let's look at the pros and cons of going the DIY route versus getting a pro truck wash. DIY pros. You're in control of the cleaning process. You can do it on time, whenever you have a few minutes. It can be cheaper than getting a professional wash. DIY cons. DIY truck washes require more effort and time than professional ones. With the right equipment, getting rid of stubborn dirt and grime can be more accessible. Doing a DIY truck wash could cause damage if done incorrectly. Professional pros. Professional truck wash services use high-quality products and tools that guarantee an excellent cleaning without damaging your vehicle. A professional truck wash often takes less time than doing it yourself. The results are often more impressive than a DIY job. Professional cons. Hiring an experienced truck wash may be more expensive than doing it yourself. You don't have control over the process, so you must trust that they know what they're doing. Whether you choose to DIY or get professional wash services, the most important thing is that your vehicle gets cleaned and looks great. To learn about transportation careers, check out our previous video.